How to add products from AliExpress to Shopify, quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add AliExpress products to your Shopify store. So let's get into it. First of all, you can open up your Shopify store and you'll get right here. So this is my Shopify admin and I want to add AliExpress products right here. This works if you're looking for Chinese-based products and if you're looking for products from AliExpress. So for that, you're gonna click on apps right here and you will open up your Shopify app store, or you can go to apps.shopify.com. Here we're gonna add an app. So we're just gonna search for AliExpress and it will open up the source for us that provide us the service of AliExpress products. Alright, so once you search for AliExpress, then you will find right here, DSers. DSers AliExpress dropshipping. Place hundreds of orders to AliExpress in seconds to find suppliers. So this is like a third party that provides us with the AliExpress products. So what you're going to do is once you get right here, you're going to click on Add App. There is a free plan available for this one. Click on Add App and this app will be added to your Shopify. Then you just need to connect your DSers to your Shopify. How to connect? You will require an account on dsers.com. So you can sign up for free once you have an account. You will just connect your Shopify with your DSers by following these steps. Once you download the app, it can be found within your settings. Just click on settings and then you can go to the right here to apps and sales channel. It will have DSers. Click on it and connect. So once it's connected, now you can see it provides us the AliExpress products, and all of the products right here, I can now add them to my Shopify. It's really easy. You will select the product. Let's say I want to add this one. All I need to do is just click on import, and now this will be added to my import list, which is for Shopify. So that's how easy it is to import product from AliExpress to Shopify through DSers right here. And we will be able to find cheap products from AliExpress and sell them on our Shopify store. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.